Are you recovering from knee surgery, hip surgery, or an ankle injury? Or maybe you just need to keep your leg elevated to help with swelling? If so, let me show you this adjustable leg elevation pillow. When you first open the box, you get the pillow and the removable cover. The material feels very soft and smooth, and the pillow feels supportive without being too hard. I like the cover because it's very soft and breathable. And here, from down part and up part, there are zippers. You can take out the pillow from both of them and then wash the cover. That way, you can keep the cover clean all the time. And also, what I like is that the cover can go in the washer and dryer with no issue. I like that the height of the pillow it's adjustable. There are two different heights. It's 7.9 and 9.8. The 9.8 is when the two parts are connected. As you can see, guys, they're connected here with these fasteners, and then you can remove it. And when it's like this, without the second part, the height of the pillow is 7.9. So I had my knee surgery a week ago. The first day I was using the pillow with both parts, but now I feel better, so I just need this part. Another thing I noticed is the shape. This isn't just a regular pillow, it's made to follow the natural curve of your leg. So your leg feels supported from your knee all the way to your foot. It feels much more comfortable than using a regular pillow that move around. Also, the bottom has an non-slip design to help keep the pillow in place while you are resting in bed or on the couch. This pillow is made for many different situations. It can be used after knee replacement surgery, hip surgery, ankle surgery, leg injuries, or if you have swollen legs and need to keep them elevated. If you're looking for a comfortable leg elevation pillow for recovery or swelling, I think this is a great option.